Hey guys, Glimmer Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today, this is going to be awesome. You're going to love it. So this is how to build an email list from scratch, and you can go from 0 to 15,000 members. And I'm going to show you actually two different list building programs depending on your budget. Okay. The first one I've been doing for a while. If you don't know who I am, I'm Glen. I am actually number 7. I was number 7 on the leaderboard for last contest that one company had for building a list. And the other one I actually just joined. I looked at it about a year ago, and I kind of went through, and I don't recall it being really flushed out. And I've gone back to that system, and they've really got their stuff together. And this is the cool thing, guys. It's actually free. You could literally build an entire list for free. Of course, you'd have to have an autoresponder. That's about it. Just have an autoresponder, and the rest of it you could do using the system. And what's really cool is they actually use they're really heavily reliant on Facebook, and you're able to add, and just so you know, actually I'll get to that in a little bit. I'll explain how it works. But you can add, just by adding people to a Facebook group, you can build your list. Very cool. All right. So why do you want to build an email list? Well, if you see people on leaderboards for any affiliate program, they got there because they send an email to their list. That's the only way they got there, guys. And and this is what's so confusing to people. A lot of people will go out and get an affiliate offer, and they'll go buy traffic, and they're trying to buy traffic to go to that affiliate offer. And that is such a mistake. It's such a waste. It's not what you want to do. You want to buy traffic to build your list. When the people opt in, whatever you send them to afterwards, that's gravy. The real thing you're paying for is you're paying for to get people onto your list so you can promote them over and over and over and over again. That's the trick. That's the secret. And that's why you want to build an email list. So no matter what you're doing, you're always thinking about, like, so many people are like, oh, I'm going to go promote this product. I'm going to go promote this product. No, I'm going to build this list so when a product comes along that I want to promote, I'm going to be able to promote it and make money immediately from it just by hitting send. So start thinking that way, guys, because this is the way you're going to be able to scale your business. You're going to be able to, like, just basically, if something's working, you'll be able to make money quickly and put money right back into it, so you can really scale and make a lot of money quickly. Okay, so I'm going to show you two programs. The first one I want to show you is, I want to show you just some proof, guys. And this, as far as I can see, these guys are all basically, they either have a free subscription, or they're paying the $99 a month, which I actually did because I want to see the system. But the free system looks very, very good. The only thing you get for $99 a month, I think, is you get some free traffic with it. So and all this, let me just show you this first. Okay, so this is their Facebook group, and you can see this is just like, they have tons of proof of income, guys. It's over and over and over. Like, these guys getting paid, like, look at this, $2,400, $33, $370, $399, $97, $274. So they're paying a lot of commissions, which is great. So this is the Facebook group. So what I want to do is I want to show you the actual back office. And what I want you to do is you can go research or whatever, but because it's free, just grab the top link and you can join the Facebook group. There's no obligation. You go in there, and there's like tons and tons of training. Like, let me just show you here. Let me go show you the units, guys. The units is crazy how much training is in here, and it's also in the website that you get. But they go through this thing called the OLSP system, and you get a ton of training. You actually get free software in here, and truly, guys, it is truly free. There's no OTOs, there's no upsells and stuff. I mean, there is upsells if you choose to, but you can run the whole system with free traffic, and they give you a ton of training on it. Let me find where that the site is. Oh, this, if you upgrade to, you get this awesome chat. That's one thing. And just so you know, it's their affiliate program is is on the back end of ClickFunnels. So I just set this up today. So as you can see, there's been no commissions made. I'm just starting to put out, send out links for it right now. I've already signed up 2 people to the system. They're free, but they haven't paid yet. But I'll show you. I'll keep this going for you guys so you can see it. So this is the back office. This is so it's the umbrella company is Wayne Crow, and he's got this sort of traffic domination, and there's 3 different parts to it that I can find. Maybe there's 4. So this is sort of the it's called one link to rule them all, and this is the OLSP system, which I think it stands for one lead. I don't even know, it's one lead sales pixel or something like that. So what happens is you join, it's totally free. You go in and you have to do the first 2 trainings here. There's so like I said, the trainings are in the Facebook group, but they're also in this back office here, so you can find them here. And you have to go do the first 2 before it unlocks that link for you. And then you go back to your dashboard and you'll see this link. And this is okay. They've got a big webinar tomorrow night. That's really cool too. So once you're a member there, you can actually get a link to promote the webinar, and then that person, whoever goes to the webinar, if they buy anything, and they're tracked for an entire year, guys, which is so cool. So this link basically takes you to a page where you can put your email in, and then you can go join the Facebook group, and that's basically it, guys. You also get points for all this stuff, and guys, if you get enough points per month, they give away like a ton of money. So it's like the guy that put this together has made millions. So I'm just going to go through a couple of things. You can promote some Warrior Plus products here. This is their traffic domination products, and you just go in and they approve you for all the links. So there's really great ones you can promote that you make commissions on. You don't nothing to buy there. There's you can buy traffic here. You can actually become a solo ad seller, and like I set up in here, you'll see that. So you would get your link from here. So traffic sales page, so I can get my traffic sales page there, and then I can go sell traffic, and I'll put a link to that. Actually, I think there's a link in the description below. But going back, so where is the... Oh, this is a really cool one, and I just used this today. Now, guys, I'm brand new to it, so just so you know. So this is really cool. So how they really want you to focus on social media. So what you do is you can go in here each day, and you can click on one of these, right? And this is called the comment dominator. So what you do, it's reciprocity commenting. So you go and visit this Facebook link, which is another member's Facebook link, right? And now, just so you know, you can't put links to other programs. So you can only put links to traffic domination programs or motivational quotes or whatever. So you would go visit this, you would comment on it, and then you'd come back here and you would post a comment that you made. And then as soon as you've done 5, I think it's 5 in here. Once you've done 5, then you can put your post in here. You post your own, and then members go in and do the same thing, so it can drive your post to be viral. Now again, it's only for like motivational quotes, or just to go to basically boost your social media score on Facebook, or it's for lead generation for program things, right? Now you might be going, well, why do I want people to comment on my thing? Well, if you've been in marketing for any amount of time, once someone starts commenting on your post, Facebook goes, wow, this post is popular, and it starts showing it to everybody in your feed because they think it's popular. And when people see other people have posted on it, they're more likely to comment, and they're going to see it. So you can actually really get some really good viral posts going. And you go through the training, and Wayne shows like a ton of that stuff. So that's the one system. Now, what's cool about this, guys, is it really truly is totally free. Like I said, I grabbed the monthly membership. So you go down to the bottom. Oh, this thing keeps popping up because they really want me. I've already promoted that, but so I went and grabbed this thing. So you can see you are an OLSP dominator. So this is $99 a month. I get exclusive traffic packages. I get that cool chat, right? So I get to chat directly with all the top leaders in the program, and basically I get traffic signups. So you can see I already get 2 signups as part of my membership. So I just keep getting signups there as far as I know. So very, very cool. So if you wanted to do that, you can do that. You can downgrade, I guess, at any time, but you would still have all the free system. Now, I showed you the Facebook page. So I don't know how fast this is going to grow your list, guys, because I'm just brand new to it. So I will keep you up to date. But you know what? It's free. So just go join it. Go grab the first link, join, go into the Facebook, get the training. You can never have too much training. Guys, I've been doing traffic for years now. I never get tired of watching training because there's always something I learn about EPC or a trick on a bridge page or something like that, or how to basically make a landing page better. Now they do have a couple other products. I did grab where is it here? I can't see it now. Well, maybe I closed it down. I did grab the traffic domination pages. Now this is a bit of a higher ticket price, guys. It was $1,000 to grab a lifetime for this, and it's basically an amazing page builder and all that kind of stuff. So I went and grabbed that because I can never have too many places where I can build funnels, especially if they have pre-built funnels already. So I love that kind of stuff, and I like using different platforms. I don't like having everything in one place in case one platform goes down. I've got another platform I can easily move to and have that stuff going. So I did get that as well, but that's not doing anything with the list. So that's the first system. The second one I want to show you, the second one, and this is a much faster because I've been in it for a while. This is growing my list, like just from this program alone. I've almost at 5,000 members, and I started in July. 5,000 members. Now, guys, people are just cranking out referrals. Now, in order to be in this Facebook group, you have to be a paid member. So it's growing like crazy. There's almost 2,000 members in the Facebook group. I think there's over 7,000 members in the system. And there is a ton of referrals going on. One guy, fairly new guy, just made a $724 commission. So what happened is someone came through and they bought the entire funnel. I own the entire funnel. I have no problem letting you know that. It's a beautiful value ladder funnel starting at $9 up to $1,000 or $1,500 or $1,000 product. Well worth it. And then you just plug in your traffic, guys. But in here, we have daily training in here every single day. Monday through Friday, and then Thursday nights we have group training. This is one of the owners, Greg Chambers. He's been selling traffic forever. This is a 3-stream program, 3 different income streams, and it really works, and it builds your list very, very fast, and the traffic is great. I'm going to show you the 2 paid traffic sources I'm also using. So those are the 2 systems, guys. I also just want to show you where's my account there. Yeah, let me see what time we're at here. Ooh, 13 minutes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some links in the bottom there, the Facebook one, and then the link for both of them. I would highly recommend, if you're really strapped for cash, go do the free one. If you do have some money, I would maybe dabble in both of them, see what you think, or just focus on one. There's a lot of training in the OLSP. Well, there's a lot of training in both of them, but I think the list leverage one, the higher cost one, you get set up much quicker. It's much more straightforward. The other one is a bit confusing. You got to jump through a few different programs that they tie all together. So it takes a bit longer to do, but again, it's free. So it is, you can be a total free member, or you can be a $99 a month member. And then both of them, you do have to, if you really want to scale, you need to buy traffic. With the list leverage one, it's really about buying traffic and sending it there. The other one is about buying traffic as well, but you can generate a lot of free traffic using Facebook, by inviting them to the group, and that's what's really really cool. So whenever and you don't invite someone to a group by sharing the group to them. You do have to go into the back office and use your link, right? You do have to use your linked, so they go to that little capture page that plants the pixel, and then they're marked. Once they hit Facebook, then they're retargeted to and all that kind of stuff. I found the sales funnel is really well done in the Traffic Dominator, the OLSP system, because it's really, Wayne just delivers a ton of value and says, by the way, if you want to buy this, you can buy it. You don't have to. And I really like that sales technique. It's really just natural. So if you're a smart entrepreneur and you go, well, I want to make the most amount of money, what's it going to take? Is it going to cost? Like, basically, when you're buying something, you're shortening time. You have to think of it that way, right? Like, you can take the long way, right? Everything free, it's going to take you forever. Or you take shortcuts by purchasing this or purchasing this. In fact, he has a $97 product. Maybe I should put the link in there. Maybe I'll put the link in the description, where they set it up for you. They set the whole thing up for you for $97, and then everything is done all set up for you, and you just get to go promote links, and they show you how to promote the link. So basically that's it, guys. That is it in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you hit subscribe. If you like this, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the notification. I know I took about a week off. I actually put my back out. It's been pain. I put it back out in October, and it's just been this nagging thing. So I haven't been too mobile. And that's why I kind of took a little bit of time off. If you're one of my subscribers and you're like, where's Glen's videos? Usually they're up once every day or two. There's always a new video. That's basically why. So hopefully I'm on the mend and I'll be able to get these out. And also, while I was kind of in bed, resting my back, I was really researching different ways to drive traffic into list build, and I looked at a whole bunch of stuff, and that's why I settled on going back to Wayne's system. I was also listening to a summit on the weekend, and he was one of the presenters, and I revisited. I knew who he was. It was great actually, because once I purchased the TD pages, I actually messaged him on Facebook, and we had a great conversation right on Facebook, which is pretty cool because you don't always get to talk to millionaire owners when you buy programs, just like boom, answering their messaging. So that's a big plus on the plus thing. So go and grab the Facebook link, make sure you grab it, and then jump in the Facebook group and look for me, tag me, or hit me up and say, hey Glenn, I'm here, show me what to do. And remember, start building your list. It's the most important thing. Build an email list, build an email list, build an email list. That is the biggest asset. Don't just think about sending them to an affiliate offer. Your main goal is to build that list, because once you have that list, you can sell anything. You can send them to anything, and you can just start selling people whatever you want. You like me, you join a new program like this, you send a few emails out, boom, you have a downline instantly, right? You're not sort of hoping something's happening. You just send out an email, all of a sudden people start joining. So I'll keep you posted on how the sales go there. And I'm not sure how, I've just as a warning, I've stayed away from a lot of free programs because it doesn't always give the initiative to upgrade. So there's a lot of people all doing it for free. But the way that Wayne sells, like I was saying, it's just a natural, like, yeah, I want to do it a little quicker. I want to have that extra bonus, and that's why it works really well. All right, guys, have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. Do me a favor, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.